Advanced mobility demands precision in every environment, from land to sea to sky. Marion delivers die-cut solutions that solve your toughest engineering challenges. In high-energy systems, we help manage heat to ensure performance and safety, while our moisture protection solutions keep critical assemblies secure in harsh conditions. With adhesive solutions for bonding and joining, we support lightweight, stable designs, and surface protection keeps sensitive components damage-free, while gaskets and seals lock out contaminants at every seam. As a trusted 3M preferred converter and global materials expert, Marion partners with your engineers through every stage of development, optimizing material selection, manufacturability, and assembly. When your solutions require customization, precision, and scalability, Marion delivers. Marion, custom flexible solutions. Connect with our advanced mobility experts today